Welcome, Snack Attackers. My name is Jason, and I have some potentially fantastic products to review for you guys today. That's right, I said some. That means more than one. I didn't do the mistake in the two thing, although it is just two. I have two products. Oh, they're right out of reach. Oh, stretch, Jason. You can do it. Oh, I believe in you. Oh, you got him. That's the receipt. The new Pop-Tarts Crisps, blueberry and apple flavor. The Pop-Tarts Crisps first came out. They released in strawberry, brown sugar, maybe chocolate? I don't know. But these are the two newest flavors they released. Again, blue apple and blueberry. The Pop-Tarts Crisps are an interesting thing because they're not great and they don't offer anything like particularly proprietary. They're not for the toaster. So they are more for Jimmy on the go. And, yeah, let's just do it, you know? Let's get into it. I'm going to do the apple first because I don't think I'm going to like it. Oops. These were purchased at Meijer for $3.29 each. Kind of expensive for 12 crisps. I believe 2 per package. That's how Pop-Tarts does things. They don't individually package things. Yes, sir. Apple-tastic. Sorry, it's not apple. It's frosted apple-tastic. And this is frosted blueberryfic. Blueberryfic. Let's get this out. Oh. The smell of apple Nutri-Grain is strong with this one, my friends. That's what it looks like. It's got specks of green. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. I don't know. I'm gonna 3, 2, 1 this. Like, why not? You know? 3, 2, 1. Snack attack. Imagine a frosted Nutri-Grain bar. Imagine no longer, for it exists. That's my review of that one. I'll go individually. It's a Snack Tech Pass. Oh, it's like a weird chemical taste too. Blueberryfic. Blueberryfici. Okay. Smell. The blueberries, the artificial blueberry scent is strong in this one. The look has got specks of blue. Seems like I'm... Alright, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Snack attack. Imagine a frosted blueberry Nutri-Grain bar. Imagine no longer. What more do you want me to say? It's artificial blueberry. I just now remembered what did make the crisps different than normal Pop-Tarts. The frosting is much sweeter and seems to be more prevalent. There's a weird... gritty, grainy texture and taste. Texture and taste. It's a Snack Attack Pass. Together out of 10. It's a 2 again. It's a 2 because I don't want these. I'm probably gonna throw these out. Well, the ones I took a bite out of. The other ones I'm going to try and give to people who I don't much like. So if you get one of these from me, don't read too much into it. It means you're my best friend. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I swear. It means you're my best friend. In fact, you're my best friend. You want one? I'll give it to you. Yeah, it's not very good. And it's not going to be replacing Nutri-Grain bars anytime soon. Or Chewy bars, or other bars, the bars on my prison cell that I make. inside my mind. The question we ask around here is not, am I in a prison of self-made proportions on bad products? No, the question we ask is, would I buy it again? And the answer is no. No, I will not. No, I would not. No, I shall not. No, you cannot make me. Goodbye. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, all the fun YouTube stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.